Sawawan ng Cebu. Kay Montinola, palakpakan din natin. Sobra multi-talented. Grabe.
Oo, gusto ko
diba?
tanungin ha.
Go
Kasi
ahead.
syempre, after leaving nga ang bahay ni Kuya, gusto ko malaman paano nagbago ang buhay ng isang kay Montinola.
Grabe. I guess I can say that I've always been the same person. I came inside Kuya's house with dreams. Left living those dreams. And all those learnings inside Kuya's house, kaya, sorry, hinihingal pa ako. I would like to say talaga, thank you Kuya, sa bahay niyo, I love it. Now, ginagawa ko na ang mga gusto kong gawin. And as long as I can make you guys happy, it makes me happy as well. Thank you so much.
Yes, and we know na ang dami mong pinasaya ngayong araw. Jaren, congratulations then on your album. Oo, ayan, maririnig nyo rin and go check out Jaren's songs dahil nga nag-release ka na ng iyong album. And siguro just a quick question lang, upon releasing your album and also being a VJ, di ba, sa Mix, how does it feel na all of these projects are coming to you after magstay mo sa bahay ni Kuya?
I'd say it was meant to be. Music has always been my #1 love, and I find it so amazing how I've already been able to release my album, and I'm a mixed VJ, so another thing affiliated with music. I'm so glad I get to carry on doing the things I love to do after leaving PBB.
Baka naman pwede natin hingian ng mensahe in Tagalog si Jaren.
In Tagalog?
Go ahead,
Oo.
Jaren.
Tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli, palagi pipili kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi, palagi.
Balikan man ang hirap, at lahat.
Mga kapamilya, mga ka-Dubai, palakpakan natin Kai and Jaren!
Napaka-sweet na Karen
Oo.
moment naman nun, Kerry, di
Oo,
ba?
at talaga namang tuwang-tuwa sila. We could see it in their faces na talagang pinasaya nyo. First time nilang pumunta dito sa Dubai. So maraming salamat sa ating mga kababayan na pumunta dito at
That's right.
nag-enjoy.
Huling message na lang, of course, sa ating mga kapamilyas here at inyong mga fans. Go ahead.
Hello, Latin Kapamilya! Thank you guys for giving us such a warm welcome. And you guys really brought the energy tonight. Kai and I love you so much.
Yes, to add up onto that, thank you, salamat. Salamat! Ano ba salamat sa Bisaya? Salamat lagi hapon! Salamat everybody! Okay?
Magpaalam, syempre kumuha muna tayo ng selfie.
That
with
is right. Okay lang ba sa
lahat
inyo
na
yun?
kasama si
Let's make it
Kai
memorable.
at saka
First
si
time nila dito sa Dubai.
Jaren.
So,
Oo,
Kaya and
dito
Jaren,
tayo.
at tingin tayo on stage.
Yes, ayan.
Okay, baba tayo. And siguro lahat tayo ay tumayo na lang. Okay, patayuin ba natin sila? Okay na to. Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, smile! Okay, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile!